A lot of this, it just looks worse than it is because it's just from neglect. As you can see, like underneath it's solid. And so I bought a needle scaler and I want to begin cleaning this up this weekend. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this up here. I don't know if you can really see it, but I hope you can. And yeah, let's see. So I went over all of this with the needle scaler. A lot of it got knocked off, some of it didn't. So like right here, I could hit it a little bit harder. But I'm kind of working without light, so it's difficult. So I'm gonna continue to hit all of this. And overall, I mean, there's pitting and stuff, but it feels solid. However, all the issues right here. Someone welded a plate back here, so this is not the first time they visited, and they did a horrible job at welding it on top of that. So it really thins out from about, I'm gonna say about right around here. This is all solid over here. Thins out there, goes through that corner. Pick it back up tomorrow, hopefully, if it's decent weather. And I'm gonna keep cleaning this up here as much as I can, regardless of what it looks like, so that when I take it to shop to get done, I have a couple places in mind already, and I can go ahead and get that rectified.